Welcome back again to REKHA'S RASOI. Here's a Vichay's flavors. I've got eggs and I've got potatoes, and I need to prepare a light dinner for tonight, which includes omelette, but with a twist. The omelette is going to be the Spanish way. So come along, let's make a Spanish omelette. Let's begin. First we'll fry our potatoes. We've taken olive oil. You can take any oil, but preference is for olive oil. In this we need a little extra bit of oil for frying the potatoes and the onions. We fry our potatoes till it becomes a little tender and slightly brown. Now we'll add in the onions. Now the onions also have to be translucent. Now let's add some salt at this stage. Now while our onions are getting cooked, we'll beat the eggs. You've taken 3 eggs. Now we'll add in some salt. Some pepper powder. Now we'll beat the egg thoroughly. Okay, we have done the whisking. Now we'll keep it aside. Our potatoes and onions are cooked. Now we'll put them into the beaten egg. We'll drain out the excess oil. Now we mix it all together while they're still hot, so that the egg blends well with the with the onions and the potatoes. Now we'll cover it and keep it for 5 minutes. The pan is ready. I've poured some olive oil. It's hot enough. And now we'll pour the mixture. Just spread it. You can just gently shake this so that all the sides and the middle part all will be cooked properly. I will just check it out like this and see whether it's cooked. Now we'll flip it. So what we should do is put a plate across this and then just turn it upside down. There you are. Now we'll put it back once more so that the other side gets cooked properly. Yeah, it's turning out nice and fluffy. Now our Spanish omelette is ready. So once again, you take it and flip it. Then ta-da! Our Spanish omelette is ready. So friends, I'm going to serve this yummy fluffy Spanish omelette to my folks. Why don't you try this at home? And until we meet again, this is Rekha signing off from REKHA'S RASOI. Bye bye.